My main objective is to live at present and think in present. Mm, and one of the main objective is English practice. I want to improve my communication skills of English. And also I have low confidence about speaking on lots of topics, on almost every topics. So that I decided to come on camera and say on any topics and what I want. Just say something so that I can uh, improve my communication skills. And yeah, I think gradually it is improving day by day, but I have to be regular. Uh, um, Before 2 days, I broke that regularity, but now I have to continue. So today, yeah, uh, uh, today's is today has gone a good life. Remove these all smallest moment which I can which I have spent it without any intention. But tomorrow was a good day for me to go to come closer to the Durga Maiya. I know. Without the grace of her, nothing is possible. But I have to at least try to reach uh, at that extent. And and as Premanand Maharaj ji said that if you will try at your best, he will she will be happier uh, and show kindness to you and lift you up. So that we should always make efforts to go at that level. um, Tomorrow, I think tomorrow I started to discuss about the war, right? Like what is war? The basically the fighting between the fi- the conflict between two entities Basically, it is war, the conflict between two entities, because when there will exist two different entities, the conflict will arose. War is categorized in two parts. First is dharmic war and other is adharmic war. So we have discussed earlier what is war. So on the means on the time at the time of war, we should only remember that uh, uh, we should only remember that uh, the that thought is problem. The thought which conflict, that is problem, not that man is problem, right? So so when we used to see our enemy, by seeing their face, we get uh, we get uh, we got tempered, right? By seeing his or her by seeing him, her his or her face, because his or her face denotes his or her thought, and thought because of thought confliction, we hate from that face. And usually thought conflicts will always happens, because until we will not erase our ego, and we have not until we do not see our mm, ego, because when ego get bigger and bigger, and that man become smaller and smaller, and their thought also become smaller and smaller. When their thought become smaller and smaller, there is high chances create that their thought will get conflicts with other thoughts, right? Now let's discuss on other topics. But let's discuss the one of the most discoverable topics, electricity, right? Actually, what is electricity? Electricity, the flowing of the flowing of charges from one place to other, or the basically the charges flowing, yeah, the charges flowing from one place to other, that is electricity. Electric current means the rate of charges at one unit of time. This is called current. And I think we should have to discuss about some social topics, right? So that uh, so that it make more sense, because it demands proper thoughts, proper thinking. Why? Because we know about science that the rate of uh, work done between one place to another, v is equal to I square RT VI. These things, lots of things we know. And I don't think you have to think something in order to say something, and because we remember all things and apply it. But from social perspective, it's our own thought, right? We can say whatever I want. So what social? Poor. Let's discuss on poor. Poor people. Poor people. Who is poor people? The poor people means the person who has uh, almost no money, who has no resources to survive. Right? Actually, they are called poor. Poor people. As our constitution uh, gives right to private property, so that it so that's why lots of child also born, uh, which have no any property, and so that they have less amount of money, and so they have to suffer more and more in order to um, mm, earn money. And people use them if they know that money is necessary, required for them, so that they use them more and more. It's common that if any guys is looking so simple or behaving like so innocent, just use it how much it can be used. Just use it. It is too simple in today's generation. Like showing some branded things by advertised by a branded person. This is made by us. and we fell we fell in that trap. We got trapped in this cycle. You can see my patterns of thinking, right? um, every thoughts are ended in a spirituality. Like I started I can start from this topic and I will end in spirituality, because I think every problem has only one solution. Be in on earth, be more and more religious to overcome fear, death, and for a harmony in life, and feel immense happiness in life, joyfulness in life. Actually, it is very important for us that because we came on earth actually to live happily, not just survive. Because all other animals also survive, so that it is said that we have to think mm, normally. Now my eyes are closed and my mind also try to go on bed, because it feels like tiredness. So that I'm going to close my camera, so that I can sleep easily. And I see that now I see that my English speaking is actually uh, uh, get actually increases day by day. I have to just try to make it on a regular basis, so that I will get more and more confidence in upcoming years. Thank you.